Hi guys, good morning. Today all of you are good morning and hope everything is well. Today I will show you the Candon engine air filter, that is high performance. They are saying high performance engine air filter, and they are showing it's increase the horsepower and 50% more airflow and washable and reusable. Okay, and it will be around 75,000 between the cleaning, and this will be everywhere it is. And what I am used in the 2005 Camry is the 332260. Okay, so this is the package, and it shows, and made in USA, engineered in California. So everywhere it shows the same things, means it is increase the horsepower, etc. So I'll show you how to be installed. And here is the my cabin, and this will be the engine air filter. So this is the way what I installed. And after installation I ran around 5 months, and this is the downside where the filter is filtering. You can see the debris and many things are accumulated here, and it's very oily. And the other side you can see there is nothing, and it's filtering, it's in a good quality. Okay, so it's and I can say that after the installation my car's engine performance is a little bit increased. How it will be, because when it's in the UAE and it's very hot in summer, when I put the AC on, the car's little bit power is lost with the normal paper filter. But after that, right now or I'm feeling that it is right now it's increased the performance. And another thing also I done, because in previous video I said that the battery cables and alternator cables I upgraded, so that's also increased the performance and mileage also. Okay, and you can see this the filter. Once again I will show. A lot of debris are there. Okay, thank you very much.